Grandpa, I really need to go to the restroom again. We just arrived, but it's very urgent.
Can you wait for a little while?
No, I can't wait. Not even 1 minute.
Just a few minutes, please.
I said no minutes.
There are trees everywhere.
Grandpa, I'm joking. I'm joking.
This is not funny. I also need to go.
What? You too?
Yes, very bad timing.
Then let's go now. Hurry!
Slow down. I am not young.
This is an emergency.
This is my fast speed.
You're like a turtle.
This turtle is doing his best.
Do you see a restroom?
I see a gate.
That doesn't help.
I see some people sitting.
I can't ask them.
Okay. Keep going.
Grandpa, hurry up.
My legs are trying.
Wait, what is that?
Why did you stop?
I see a coffee shop. A coffee shop has a restroom.
Finally! Let's go!